For breakfast this morning, we're going to have leftover chorizo that I froze several months ago. A little bit of that. Had a little bit of refried beans left over from yesterday's breakfast. I'm going to use 3 eggs for 2 burritos. I don't know, that might be too much. I don't know. We'll see. Some cheese and then tortillas. Got my butter melting. Gonna fry the eggs first. Here's one of my tomato plants. Look at all these little mushrooms I've got in the pot. Those just all popped up. How weird. The other one doesn't have any. Alright, today I'm going to make some lobster rolls. Well, faux lobster rolls. There is no lobster in this whatsoever. However, I am going to make it with this imitation crab meat. Got this at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. I think it was. Got 2 of these. I'm going to rinse this good to get the brine off of it so it's not so salty. Also going to mix in some medium shrimp. Melt some butter. I have some celery I'm going to put in it and then some spices, and I think that's going to be it. Okay, I took the buns out of the freezer. If you're watching my meal planning Monday, I had these 2 buns in the freezer. They need to be used up. So, got those sitting out to defrost. Let's open this. I've never used this before. So, this time is the first time. It's a first time. It's a first time. Got a smell of it. Smells like imitation crab meat. That's a lot, isn't it? That's a lot. Well, I have hot dog buns in the freezer if we need to do that for another one. And I need a can opener. Alright. I'm going to pour out this juice. Going to rinse this off. Let it soak a little bit while I pour off the juice for the shrimp. Well, I'll be honest with you. It smells okay. I don't like the way it looks. Tastes okay. I have eaten the imitation crab. Oh, look, it's like in roll. You just roll it up. That's just weird. That's just a weird texture right there. The imitation crab meat from Walmart that was like $1 for I don't know, 4 pieces. I have eaten that before and I really like it. It's more firm. I think that might be part of it's a consistency thing. However, I am going to reduce the amount that I'm going to use right now because I think that's a whole lot. We could have just used 1 package. I think for two of us. We'll see, because I'd rather use more shrimp. Right? I don't know. I've never eaten these either. Oh, that's an interesting consistency too. Thinking outside the box here now. Put lemon and butter on it. It'll be great. Right? Anything with lemon, butter. Maybe I need to rinse the shrimp off too. It is a little... Yeah, see all that? We'll doctor it up here in a minute. Okay, rinsed it, drained it. Now, I'm going to cut up that crab, maybe even some of the shrimp. Yeah, let's do that. Let's disguise it as much as we can. Very interesting texture. If I do this again, I will use the imitation. It's in the refrigerated. Well, it's over there by the meats in Walmart. There, that didn't look so bad now, does it? Okay, let's add some mayonnaise. Stir it all up. Stir it all up. Stir it all up. It looks good. Now it looks good. Gonna add some spices. Just a few little chili flakes. I don't want to add any salt at this point. I'll taste it. Pepper. I don't have any regular paprika, so how about some smoked paprika? Garlic. Gotta have garlic. Alright. And I said I was going to cut up some celery, didn't I? Oh, isn't that pretty? That's pretty. Let's see what that tastes like. Oh, I need some lemon juice. Lemon juice. Lemon. Limon. Limon. Some lemon juice. I think I have enough mayonnaise, so let me do this. I'll use this to taste. Tastes like mayonnaise. I need something to liven it up. I wonder what that's gonna be. The butter, melted butter. Okay, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it cool down. I'll heat up the buns here, toast the buns here in a minute. Okay, I toasted the bun. I'm going to fill it up with the faux lobster roll mix. There you have it. It's not Instagram picture pretty, is it? But I think I'm going to pour a little bit of the butter on there. Yeah. Take a bite and see what I think. That's not bad. I think, like I said, I will try it next time with the Walmart imitation crab. I think I'll like it better for some reason. I don't know why.